The tablet that started it all is about to change the rules of the game once again. For years, the base model iPad has been the reliable workhorse companion for millions of Americans. From the student in a high school library to the entrepreneur in a bustling New York coffee shop. But as we stand in 2026, the tech landscape has shifted. We are no longer satisfied with good enough. In this video, we want intelligence, and we want a device that feels like the future without the four-figure price tag of the Pro models. Enter the Apple iPad 12th generation. The whispers coming out of the supply chain suggest that this is not just an incremental update. This is a total reconstruction of what an entry-level device can be. We are looking at a device that is rumored to inherit the DNA of the Air and Pro lines, while introducing a new neural era of computing that will redefine how you work, play, and create. If you've been holding on to an older iPad, waiting for the right moment to upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded in a way you never expected. Today, we are stripping away the rumors and diving into the raw reality of the iPad 12. We are uncovering the secret silicon, the radical new display tech, and the AI features that Apple has been hiding behind closed doors. Stay with me, because everything you thought you knew about the budget iPad is about to be rewritten. To understand the iPad 12, we have to look at the massive gap Apple is trying to bridge. The 10th and 11th generations were about transitioning to the new design language, the end of the home button, and the arrival of USB-C. But the 12th generation is about intelligence integration. The headline here is the rumored inclusion of the A18 chip. For those following along, that is a flagship-tier processor being dropped into the most affordable iPad. Why such a massive jump? Because of Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't a luxury, it's the standard. The iPad 12 is being built as the everyman's AI portal. This means a neural engine that can process millions of operations per second locally on your device, ensuring your data stays private while your tablet becomes smarter than ever. We're talking about a device that can summarize your lectures, edit your photos with natural language commands, and manage your entire schedule without ever needing to send a single byte to the cloud. But a powerful brain needs a beautiful face. The iPad 12 is rumored to finally move away from the traditional sRGB display and adopt a vivid tone liquid retina panel. While it may not get the tandem OLED of the Pro, leaks suggest a significantly higher peak brightness and a new anti-reflective coating that makes outdoor use in the American sun a breeze. Imagine sitting in a park in Chicago or on a beach in Florida and actually being able to see your screen without squinting. This display isn't just about pixels, it's about accessibility. And for the first time, we are hearing whispers of adaptive refresh. While it might not be the full 120 Hz promotion, a jump to a smooth 90 Hz could be the secret weapon that makes the iPad 12 feel twice as fast as its predecessor. Let's talk about the center stage evolution. The landscape front-facing camera was a brilliant move in the previous generations, but for the iPad 12, Apple is reportedly taking it a step further. We're looking at a new ultra-wide vision sensor with hardware-level AI tracking. This isn't just for FaceTime. This is for the new era of remote work and hybrid learning.